I know you may be wondering why insurance is important in achieving financial stability. Insurance is like your secret ingredient to stable financial journey. I'll explain. While many people focus on savings and investments, most people will overlook the importance of protecting their wealth. Insurance acts as a financial shield, ensuring that your hard-earned savings are safe even during life's uncertainties. Let me expound on this. So you've acquired all this wealth. You've probably, let's start with the Gen Zs, okay? You've started this, maybe you're a podcaster, maybe you're doing digital work, you're doing all this online writing, you're doing very well for yourself. And you've acquired your first car, perhaps. Your expenses are pretty minimal because either you've adopted a very safe lifestyle, you're not drinking, you're not partying, you're a stable, or even if you're doing all those things. If anything happened to you, can I predict what would happen? You'd start selling off your assets. Imagine something has happened to you and you're admitted into hospital. You've just left your parents' house. You're now working for yourself. You're trying to build yourself up. But insurance is not one of the things that you're making a priority for. If anything happened to you and you're in hospital, your folks will come in. They know you have a little money, so they're going to put in what they have at the beginning for your admission. But if it got complicated and the bill is piling up, let me tell you what happens in a hospital when you don't have insurance. Every other day, you're getting a report. Every other day, they're telling you this is how far the bill is going. And if the deposit you're put down is not enough, they're asking you to ask your people to bring in money. And so first your car goes, either the title deed the logbook comes into the hospital. The hospital is now holding your logbook as they try to find a buyer because you have to pay. Let's say it all goes well and now you're leaving the hospital and you need to leave unless you can come up. And at that point, because now you're able to perhaps withdraw from your money market, if that's what you've started, or your shares in the circle you're going to borrow, what do you think you're doing? You're eating into your wealth. So insurance, and this could happen to anyone. I've said, let me talk to the Gen Zs, but this could happen to any of us. It can happen to the millennials, it can happen to the Gen Xs, it can happen even to baby boomers. So insurance is your secret ingredient to a stable financial journey. While many people will focus on the investments and the savings, we often overlook how insurance comes in to protect you. Okay? Insurance acts as your financial guard. You know that angel? You need insurance. Insurance is your secret angel. Insurance is that one friend who's not about to fail you if you have them on your side. Okay? So you need insurance to be able to protect your hard-earned assets. Nobody wants to walk into hospital and you're paying out of pocket. Trust me. Do you want to pay out of pocket? Do you want to be asked to do an MRI out of the blue just because maybe you had a stomachache or a headache that's not going? Do you want to go withdraw from your other investments so that you're in hospital to seek treatment? I don't think so. Do you want to go and borrow so that you can get treatment? We all know that there are only a handful of people who are coming to your rescue if you're in an emergency. And I know Kenyans are tired of those WhatsApp groups. Are you tired of those WhatsApp groups where you just keep getting added to one thing or another? But you have to. And yet you also still have your own issues and you have your own budgets and things are thick. So sometimes even when you're added to this WhatsApp group, you're probably in a tight spot and you're not able to do it. Yet insurance would have come to the rescue. So I don't know how to lay the emphasis that insurance is actually a necessity. It should be one of the basic needs of every human being.